Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be start with a report writing, that is how we write one report. In steps to step we will be learning. So let's start. Report writing. Before we learn about report writing, first we have to know what is a report. So what is a report? It means a report is a clear or concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. It means when we write one report, that is the one types of concise or clear document which is based on the particular purpose, that is called report. The report can write for a school magazine, journal and newspaper. First we have to know what is the points. When we write one report, we have to remember. While we writing a report, first we have to know a report always write in the past tense. Second thing, don't use past person like me, I. We don't use past person in our report. Then third point is use indirect speech. We know about that is direct speech and indirect speech, and in this case we always use indirect speech, not direct speech, and use passive voice. It is the passive and active voice. I was learning in our before classes. You can learn that. It is the passive voice. Voice is two types, that is active and passive. Active voice we cannot write. In this case we have to write in our passive voice. Before we write one letter, first we have to know that is past tense, present tense. It means we have to learn about three tenses. And second thing, first person, second person, third person. It is in our before class I was already learned. You can learn that. Use indirect speech and direct speech. It means we have to know also indirect speech and what is indirect speech and what is direct speech. And fourth thing, that is active and passive voice. I had already learned about all things. So you can learn that in our before video. So four things we have to remember while we writing a report. Now we discuss about format of a writing of a letter. First of all, we have to pass, that is the heading. Heading means in which purpose we write one report, that is called the heading, and we have to write in our front, that is the heading. And in our left side we have to write the place and date. And in our right side we have to written, that is the name and designation. Designation means that is the purpose. Which cases, in which purpose we have to write one report, that is called designation. First of all, we have to place heading in our front, then left side place and date, and right side that is report by name, which name we want to write a report, and designation. This is the things. Then we discuss about body of the report. Body of the report, it is contained in three steps, that is introduction, main content and conclusion. In introduction class we have to write, that is in introduction we have to write what is the events, who conducted it, where and when it conduct. These are the 4 points we have to write in our introduction. And secondly we have to write, that is in our introduction also we have to write, that is the why it was conducted, means in which purpose the report was conducted. In our introduction, step of introduction, first we have to write, that is what is the events, who conducted it, where and when it conduct. And secondly we have to write when it was conducted. Thirdly, volunteers and participation. In 3 points we have to place in our introduction part. And say main events, that is the second step, that is main events. Main event, in our main events we have to write how the event started and highlights of the events. It means main points and main theme of the report we have to write in our main content. And thirdly, that is the conclusion part. It is the last part of the report, that is we have to summarize the end of the events with positive note. Always when we write one report, we have to write in positive way. And in conclusion, lastly when we write conclusion, in that place we always have to write the summarize the end of the events with positive note. Always we summarize everything in our report. In lastly we summarize all that report in our short note and positive note. It is all about that report writing. First of all, what is report? Then steps of the report. We have to remember past tense, present tense and future tense. Secondly, first person, second person and third person. And thirdly, that is direct and indirect speech we have to learn. Then fourth is the active voice and passive voice. before we write one letter, first we have to know about all these grammar parts, then we can write one report. And format of the report when we discuss, that is heading. For front of the page we have to write heading, left side place and date, right side report and name and designation, and body of the report when we discuss, that is introduction, main content and conclusion. These are the 3 steps. You can go throughout the 3 steps, then we can write one letter completely. In introduction part we have to write who conducted it, where and when it conducted. And second also in our introduction part, secondly we have to write why it was conducted. Thirdly, volunteers and participation. In these 3 points we can write in our introduction part. And main content, how the event started and highlights of the events, it means the main theme of the report we have to write in our main content. And conclusion part, summarize all the reports and positive note we have to write in shortly. That is called complete report writing. In these steps we can write a complete report. It is all about the report writing. Next class we will be learning how we write a letter. Okay. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt you can tell me through comment. Thank you.